Material requirements. Planning, or MRP, is a system used by businesses to plan and manage the materials needed for production. Here's a simple step-by-step explanation of how MRP works. Step 1. Understand what you need to produce. Start by knowing what product or products you need to make and how many. For example, you need to produce 100 chairs. Step 2. Check the bill of materials, or BOM. A bill of materials is like a recipe. It lists all the parts and materials needed to make the product. For example, to make one chair, you need 4 legs, 1 seat, 1 backrest, and 10 screws. Step 3. Check your current inventory. Look at what materials you already have in stock. For example, you already have 50 legs, 20 seats, 15 backrests, and 200 screws. Calculate what's missing. Subtract what you have from what you need. For example, to make 100 chairs you need legs. 100 chairs times 4 legs minus 50 legs equals 350 legs needed. Seats. 100 chairs times 1 seat minus 20 seats equals 80 seats needed. Backrests. 100 chairs times 1 backrest minus 15 backrests equals 85 backrests needed. Screws. 100 chairs times 10 screws minus 200 screws equals 800 screws needed. Plan when to order materials. Consider how long it takes to get materials, the lead time, and when you need them for production. For example, if it takes 1 week to get legs, order them 1 week before production starts. Schedule production. Plan when to start and finish production based on material availability. For example, start production on March 1st and finish by March 10th. Monitor and adjust. Keep track of inventory, deliveries, and production progress. If something changes, like a delay in material delivery, adjust your plan. Summary of MRP steps. What to produce, for example, 100 chairs. What's needed? Check the BOM. What do you have? Check inventory. What's missing? Calculate shortages. When to order? Plan based on lead time. When to produce? Schedule production. Monitor and adjust to keep everything on track. That's it. MRP helps businesses avoid running out of materials or having too much stock, saving time and money.